Good morning, Legion. Some Near ecosystem news released at Intense Day at ETH Denver. Fee sharing on the Near Intense API is now split 50-50. Hopefully we can expect more clarity next week at NearCon on overall tokenomics upgrades for Near and the Near token. Intense Day at ETH Denver was a huge hit. Kendall gave a great overview of the Stablecoin Transport Protocol, or STP, while Sal spoke on a panel about the future of MPC and chain signatures in the Near ecosystem. It's still early for Near, but man, it's an exciting time to be in the eco. Ironclaw continues to evolve. The early version was reported by some as a bit buggy, but that doesn't stop Riccardo Spagni, founder of Monero, from talking about how he prefers Ironclaw publicly. Once again, early, but lots of good things up ahead. Our first story is from someone pretty well known, Jason Calacanis from the All In Pod, where he writes about the implications of OpenClaw. He says, "At this point, I don't think we'll hire another human for at least a year or two at our firm, but our efficiency will increase by at least 10% a month, the equivalent of 2 new full-timers. The hard truth here," as he says, is it's easier, faster, and more cost efficient to set up replicants. The replicants burn $1,000 in tokens a month, but they never ask for a raise. And on top of that, the replicants don't make mistakes. Interestingly, he adds at the end, this isn't dystopian, it's nirvana. Or as we say, nirvana. But that's because Ironclaw will work for us and not against us. For those of you familiar with US politics, Andrew Yang, ex-US presidential candidate, dropped a blog on the implications of AI coming for white-collar jobs. His thesis is more or less as follows: AI will automate a massive amount of white-collar work and will replace millions of roles in legal, finance, marketing, coding, and other desk-based jobs. Companies will cut headcount fast because competitors will copy the AI-driven savings, and markets will reward leaner teams. Mid-career workers and middle managers will face major layoffs, and many will be forced into lower-paying jobs after long searches. On the whole, somewhat of a bleak picture from Andrew Yang. And last but not least, we said it was going to get weird. It is now getting weird. A platform called Rent a Human has over 500,000 people signed up to be hired by AI agents. The site lets autonomous bots search, book, and pay humans to carry out physical tasks. Listings include counting pigeons, delivering CBD gummies, and playing exhibition badminton. Max Kaiser added that the platform takes no responsibility and all responsibility falls on the bots. That's all for today, folks. Safe travels for everyone going to NearCon. We'll do this all again real soon.